There are only 5 to 6 products you really need in your healthy hair regimen. Number 1, a shampoo. Number 2 can be a conditioner or mask or both. Number 3 would be a leave-in conditioner. Number 4 would be a styler. And some people like 2 stylers, like a gel and a foam, or a mousse and a gel, But usually 1 styler, like a curl cream, a gel, or a mousse is fine. And some type of finisher that you can seal the hair with to help with moisture retention, or just kind of finish the hair with to get rid of any frizz or flyaways, or just nourish the hair. And that'll be some type of oil. So a shampoo, conditioner, mask, and or both, a leave-in, a styler, and a finisher. Okay, so if you have more than this that I just mentioned, you're doing too much.